name is Abdullah Salim, a student of GCT Uganda, computer engineering. So I and my teammate built this app over 40 times before it worked. But I'm so excited because it finally does. And now we want to show you what we have built. This app is called FarmMate. FarmMate is a farm record and anniversary app for smallholder farmers, built to solve problems that honestly nobody else was solving properly. Farmers getting weather warnings and expert advice in their own language. Here is the thing. Building this was not smooth. We had crashes. We had features that refused to work. There was a night we almost deleted the whole project, but every failure taught me something, and eventually it clicked. Let us begin. This is the home page of our app. It includes today's weather, a farm overview, your recent activities, and the latest farming news. Now, this is the weather for today. In case you want to check for the weather in the next hour or on the morrow, you click on View Details. It should be down here in a sec. Come on. Okay. So now we have the weather in details. It's 92% humid. And in the next hour, the weather still remains the same. So there is no serious weather alerts. This is the farm overview. It shows the apps you have added to your farm. To your records. So if I click this, I've added maize as part of my crops. And this is in details, the crop information, the planting date, the expected harvest, farm size, variety, soil type. Yeah. Now we move on for the farming news. It's taking the news from either BBC or CNN. So if you click this, it will redirect you to BBC official sites. Now the second tab is the farm records. Here we used to track our farm activities. Right now I haven't added any record, that's why all is 00. Now let's go over ahead and try and add a crop and see. Add crop. Add crop. Crop name mango. And variety. How is it called? Is it Salo mango? Field or location. Home. The area of, let's pick 10 acres. Now the crop timeline. Okay, let's just select any random because I have no idea the time mango takes to grow. Okay, so we'll take it as it's a seedling, it's healthy. Now you select the soil type. Obviously the soil used to grow mango is loamy soil. Add crop. As you can see, our mango crop has added. Yes. So my teammates will go over ahead and talk about the next 3 tabs. Alright, thank you.
Okay, and I'll be taking you through the rest of the features of the FarmMate news. So with this feature, that's the weather and alerts feature. It gives you live weather forecast for both current and future weather cases. So first, in order for this to work, you first need to turn on your GPS location. So it reads your location, then gives you the live weather forecast for that location. So it gives you details about the weather, that's your humidity and the wind speed. And also, if there's going to be any heavy rainfall or anything, it gives you weather alerts. Over, so it will show up in the weather alert button. While if you tap on it, it will give you recommended things to do. Like maybe if there's going to be a heavy rainfall and you're a farmer and you want to you plan on fertilizing your crops today or whatever, it will give you prompt like do not do it do it later and other stuff. Also over here, farming recommendation gives you necessary things to do in order to improve your productivity. On this feature, that's the advisory and tips feature. It gives you a farm advice, stuff that you need to be practicing every day, how to carry out in your everyday farm. So first we have the crop care. Over here, when you tap on view advice, it gives you recommended actions to take. Same applies to the irrigation process too. You tap on it, gives you recommended actions to take. And also over here, we give you pest and disease alerts. Like if there's an outbreak of this or that, they give you things to do to protect your crops from being infected by those diseases. And also we give you live agricultural news that's taken from a news site based on that's going to be agricultural based. So if you read if you see the news you want, then you tap on it, sends you to the link, the site for you to read more about the news, so you get enlightened more about what's happening in the agricultural world. And our last feature is the profile management side, where the farmer can customize or update his information uploaded, change the profile picture he used, the number, the email, and the location. Also here, the farmer is allowed to turn on the notification on and off, and also change the password. When you tap on the security button, it takes you to a place where you can change the password after you've logged into the app. And also here, languages, we've created 2 languages from that's a local language, that's Tree and English. So you can select between Tree and English. So when you select the Tree, it translates every single thing in the app into Tree, so making it user friendly. So you can switch it back to English at your wish. And we also have the dark mode and the light mode. Depending on what you want, then you select for it. So if you go to the dark mode, that's how the features looks like in dark mode and in light mode. And also here you can log out of your account and log in anytime you want, or log out and create a new account. So when you hit the logout button, it takes you back to the login screen where you can change your password. If in case you're trying to log in and you've forgotten your password, you go here, you hit the forget button, you enter your Gmail you use whilst creating the app. They'll send you an OTP link, OTP code, where you have to input the OTP code so that you can enter the new password you want. So to conclude, I'll say all these features of the app, they work together to support farmers by providing weather updates, practical farm guidance, and personalized account management. Together, these features make the FarmMate a useful tool for helping farmers make informed decisions and manage their farming activities more efficiently. Thank you.